When asked about to mention the name of a hero in her life, this lady replied, I could not find any hero in my life, so I became one. And I have never seen a lady with an easy life. Her journey was a pain after pain, setback after setback, failure after failure. They saw her as disabled, but she saw herself as differently able. They saw her in adversity, but she saw herself as an opportunity. She was born in a small village of Baluchistan on March 3, 1987. At the age of 18, she got married because of a family pressure. Just after 2 years of her marriage, she met, as she describes, as the most terrific accident of her life, in which her husband, instead of saving her, left that lady in a pathetic condition. Crushed backbone, multiple fractures, arms, rib cage, liver, lungs, everything was damaged. And at the age of 21, she was paralyzed for the rest of her life. She spent 2.5 years of her life on that same hospital bed, frustrated, shocked, abandoned, dejected. She went to her mother and asked, why God had chosen me for this? Why me? And her mother said, maybe God has a plan for you. Just wait and watch. So after going through that abusive relationship, after meeting the tragic accident, after getting divorced in 2015, she looked herself in the mirror and said, you cannot wait for a miracle to happen now. Accept the way you are. Because when you accept yourself, the world recognizes you. And then she started smiling. You know why? Because she decided that she was going to live for herself. She may not be a perfect person for someone, but she will become perfect for herself. And you know the best decision that she took in the hospital? That she started painting with a deformed hand, a broken hand. And slowly and gradually, she came up with a canvas named Muniba Canvas with the slogan, let your walls wear colors. Her name is Muniba Muzari, better known as the Iron Lady, the pride of Pakistan. Her work was exhibited in various organizations and charities. She was recognized as BBC's most inspirational women in 2015 and was also featured in Forbes 30 Under 30 in 2016. She's Pakistan's first wheelchair-using artist, first wheelchair goodwill ambassador, a motivational speaker, an activist, and a television host as well. For all of us. When we think we have dreams, when we think we have plans, dreams to be the best, plans to be the best, overnight success, lifetime achievement. And when it does not happen, we give up. Remember, every day, every moment, every second, and every week is full of challenges and problems. But that does not mean I have to give up. Today I may have the biggest challenge of my life, but that does not mean I have to give up. The only thing you can expect in life is the unexpected. Learn to die daily, but do not die before your death. Embrace a change as a chance to grow. Stop expecting comfort from your life. Because remember, we all are perfectly imperfect, and that's perfectly alright. So, next time when you are willing to give up something, just give up the give up attitude. But do not give up yourself. That's the test. Thank you.